I need to talk to you guys, like have a deeper chat. So I think this vlog is going to become an unofficial unboxing vlog.
I had this phase where like, I mean generally when you're in your 20s.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am starting this new series called Dubai Diaries, in which I'm going to take you guys along with me during my weeks here in Dubai. And yeah, today we're going to start off with going to a cute cafe and get some work done. I actually just found this cafe a few weeks ago and I love it. It's a Monday. I'm not sure how crowded it's going to be, but we're going to see and find out together.
Camera? This one like maybe 1,800 like that. DJI. Do you like camera? This is my vlog, yeah. My first Dubai vlog since I moved here. Yeah. Well, you saw me when I was literally 18.
I just got ready to film a YouTube video and I actually have an ASOS parcel that I haven't opened yet, and I want to open it with you guys because it's just more fun that way. I also do have another parcel coming from COMMENSE. I don't know when it's gonna come, but whenever it does come, you guys will see it first. Anyways, I don't know if you guys can see, but that's Taffy over there. So I shop from ASOS because I wanted to buy some more home lounge t-shirts and also another workout top. So that's what I've got over here. I want to open this top first because when I saw this top, I'm like, it's so girly. It's almost too girly, but hey, I'm literally wearing a pink leopard print top, so that's girly too. It's not the kind of thing I would step out of the house with particularly. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's an oversized top and it just says coffee and yap. I know, it's so corny. Do you see how cute these glasses are? These jars, and also the bow. I just think it looks so cute, and I feel like lounging in the house with this is just gonna make me feel extra cute. And of course, I'll link everything I bought down below for you guys in case you want to check it out. And then, so this one's more plain in the front. It's really oversized and it's just got a rose at the very front. But then the back has this going on. I really like plain white t-shirts to wear at home. Oh, it's got a bit of red in the back as well. Actually, the first one I showed you is a white, and the second one is actually a more creamy off-whitey color. Oh my gosh. So I picked up this one workout top, but I didn't realize it was from Tala, Grace Beverly's workout brand. I got my very own first Tala workout top, and the material is so soft. And then the back, there's actually a zipper. Like there's a pocket over here. I really hope I didn't smudge any makeup on any of the tops because all the tops are white and I've got a full face on right now for my YouTube video. In case you guys are wondering what I'm filming today, the video is about like this whole self-love narrative we have going on online about, you know, going on solo dates, its benefits, is it really for you, why it feels performative when you do it. It's basically about that, and if the video is already out, I'll link it down below for you guys. Also, their tag's kind of cute. It's like, oh, friend messages. There's no such thing as a stylish, sustainable outfit. Me pulls out latest Tala purchase. I love that. I just got ready to go for Pilates and I'm wearing the new Tala top. I love how this looks. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Guys, look what she's done to my wallpaper. I know, look what you did. Hey baby. So I just got back home from Pilates, and you guys, Pilates, reformer Pilates is so good. Like, I've seen such a big difference in my body ever since I started doing it. And I've just made myself a protein smoothie. I want to share something with you guys. It's happened to me now the second time in the last week where someone after Pilates comes up to me and is like, oh my gosh, you have an amazing body and you're so strong. And I'm like, oh my gosh, girl, thank you. I honestly am so flattered when anyone says that to me, because I never used to think I had a nice body. I used to think my body is good, but like not like something worth coming up to me and complimenting me for, especially because I told you guys about my scoliosis journey in one of my self-love videos. So like, I just can't believe I got to a point where like people are coming up to me. Not that I need that. I don't need their validation. I have my own validation, but you get the point, right? Like, it's just nice to see that people view you in that way too. Okay, so it's a new day, and today I'm going for brunch with a friend, and so we're gonna get ready right now. It's going to be a place I've never been before, with also a friend I've never met in person before. So I've been trying to make more friends in Dubai, and I met this girl on TikTok, and so I'm gonna see how it goes. Girlie. So my hair is done, and so is my makeup. This has been my go-to look for the longest time, and honestly I love it. It's so easy, it's so breezy. I love loose curls. And now let's do our outfit. But before we do our outfit and jewelry, I actually want to do something really exciting, which is unbox my very exciting PR package, which is what we're going to do right now. Let me go grab it. So I think this vlog is going to become an unofficial unboxing vlog because we've got 2 more things to unbox, but this is something that is so exciting. So the reason this is a very exciting parcel for me is because this is my first PR package from a luxury brand. It's just very exciting. I mean, as you guys can tell, let me turn the camera. As you guys can tell, I am definitely a handbag kind of girl. I mean, so when I saw that RSVP Paris wanted to send me a bag, I was like, thank you. And I received this a few days ago, but I wanted to wait until I had time to unbox it with you guys, because you guys are part of this journey. You guys are part of the growth. This is a tiny milestone, but it's still a milestone nonetheless, and I want to share that with you. So enough talking, let's get to unboxing. Okay, so here it is. This box is really nice, by the way. Let me know what you think the color is gonna be, and if you want, you can comment it down below as well, but let's get straight to it. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. This is a gorgeous tan color. It's like this beigey tan color, and I do not have a bag in this color, and this is such an underrated color. I'm inserting pictures from the website so you guys can see how it can be styled. It has a longer strap or shorter strap, but I'm going to be using it more mid-length, like it's gonna sit over here. And also at the very bottom of the bag it says RSVP. I love bags that have really minimal branding, and the signature thing about RSVP Paris is their golden eyes. This design over here, that's what they're known for. And so when they told me I could pick a bag, I was like, I definitely need to go for a neutral bag, but not a black bag, because I've got a few black bags. I need something that's more on the goldeny beige side, and this was perfect. Okay, don't mind my home attire. I'm obviously in my home clothes, but this is the bag. You guys, I love this length. It's perfect. It looks so cute. Oh my god, I'm literally obsessed. On a deeper note, wait, let me first put this away. I need to talk to you guys. Okay, so I wanted to talk to you guys a bit more one-on-one and like have a deeper chat. So to be very honest, this week and actually the last 2-3 weeks have been not the best for me in terms of like content. I was putting in so much work in my videos, but I wasn't seeing the results that I wanted to see, and I was getting really deep into my head and like, you know, comparing myself like to my previous numbers and like being disappointed when I wasn't hitting it. And like, I talk about an abundance mindset so much and positivity, and sometimes I'm not perfect either. Like, I fall into my own traps as well, and I was falling into the trap of thinking that the numbers define me, and even though I wasn't verbally saying it out loud, like I was internalizing it. I get so many comments from you guys too being like, oh my gosh, you deserve way more subscribers, oh my god, you should be way bigger than you are. And like, I love and appreciate the sentiment, but like sometimes when I'm not seeing the numbers I want to see, and I see that you guys want me to be bigger so the message spreads more, it just makes it feel like I'm in this space where it's like I'm trying but it's not happening, and like it can really get to me. I was playing the we're not really strangers game with my boyfriend boyfriend the other day on video call. We were playing that game, and in that game you get a lot of deep questions, and one of the questions he got was, what's one thing that I am too hard on myself about that I should not be? And that's when we started talking about YouTube and like how sometimes I can really get into my head. And he's like someone who gets really deep, but he can also be super illogical because he's a guy at the end of the day. As in, like, he'll actually make it seem like I'm being silly for, you know, really getting myself up for the numbers, you know. It's like so silly. But I just share all of this to say that like even the weeks, the days, the months where I feel like my lowest, where I feel like I'm not doing super well, I'll suddenly have a week where like so many amazing things happen. Like I get PR from a brand that's a luxury handbag, or I get an exciting email, which I did get this week, which I'm not supposed to talk about just yet. But I mean, it's just beautiful to see that like when you don't give up and when you keep trying and when you keep going, like you will get signs. There are going to be signs for you to keep pushing. Yeah, that's just something I wanted to share with you guys. Like this week was not my best week mentally. Neither was the last week or the week before that. And so to have this happen to me in a week where I was really struggling with keeping my mindset in check, with keeping an abundance mindset at the forefront of my head, I mean, it was very much needed. And I think that's why I came this week and not any other week. I mean, I love the butterfly effect. I always think about things in a deeper way. Like whenever something happens in my life, I'm like, this happened for this reason. Because I was feeling this way, that's why this had to happen now to really pick me up. And honestly, life is just more fun that way. And I feel like the reason we bond, you and I, is because you're like that too. Like you like to see the deeper meanings in things. Or at least that's what I think, because I talk about that so much on my channel and all my videos. So I think that's why you guys also connect with me, and that's why I connect with you so much. I'm going off on a tangent, but like sometimes when I see the comments you guys leave, I'm like, you are so kind. You are so grounded. Like, thank you for following me. Like, thank you for being part of this, because I'm honored to have people like you watch me. I'm just saying. Also, now that we had our deep conversation, before we pick up my outfit for brunch, I actually do have another parcel over here. I just wanted to make sure I didn't flash my address. I do have another parcel over here that came in from COMMENSE. First, let's unbox the jewelry piece, because we know how much I love my jewelry. Oh, this is gorgeous. So it's a necklace that's got multiple stones in multiple colors, and I just didn't have anything like this that's dainty and colorful. And you guys, Taffy is such a girl's girl, because whenever I unbox anything, she's always there. You guys remember how earlier in this video I was wearing like a one sleeve pink cheetah print top, and in the similar style, a one sleeve top, I got it in yellow. This one has a bit of ruching on the side and it looks so cute. Yellow on tan brown skin is so gorgeous. Oh, this is something I've been super excited about. I don't own anything like this, and it's basically this super high neck top. It's high neck, it's khaki, but it's really long, and it's short at the front and long at the back. I could wear this today, but it does need a steam. And then I've got two more pieces. We next have a white top, and the neckline is so cute. I mean, it's kind of flirty, but it's not too much. I don't like showing too much. And the back is also, you know, it's got a bit of design going on. Okay, and then this last piece is yellow, but it's something I'm super excited about. You can see it better in the model's pictures, but it's this yellow skirt that's got a tying detail on the side. I'm excited to try all these on, but right now we need to actually get ready and head to brunch, so let's pick out an outfit. You guys can tell I'm wearing the new top and the new skirt as well with this bag. Do you guys remember this bag? I bought this bag from India, from Lajpat Nagar. It's like the perfect bag for this outfit. Yeah, they're quite good.
Yeah, so I met a lot of my friends in House of Sorority. They all came and it was just so like,
That's really nice.
I was like, damn, you guys are actually really nice.
I had this phase where like, I mean, generally when you're in your 20s, you go through phases where you want to meet new people because like you feel like you've outgrown the people you know. And so I tried Bumble BFF, but I feel so bad. I was like, all these girls are so dry. I'm so sorry. I was like, I meant dry as in like, I would love to talk to them, but it's like you have nothing on your profile.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
It's like one picture, and it's a mirror. So I'm like, girl, I don't know anything about you. Like we've matched, but it's like, what do I say?
Yeah.
And like I put so much effort into my profile with like you can talk so much. Because like from the other person's perspective, they don't know. Like
it's like what you meant to talk about. Hey, how are you?
Exactly.
Good. When did you move? It's just like,
it's just too dry.
I've actually also used Bumble BFF here, so I've only met one person. So the first person I met
some mini perfumery over here right outside the restaurant, and then even got some flowers that they're selling here too.